Are you tired of dealing with stubborn plantar warts? Have you tried everything to get rid of them without success? If you're ready to finally say goodbye to your plantar warts for good, then listen up. Swift Immunotherapy. We offer a safe, cutting-edge treatment called Swift Immunotherapy, designed specifically for those suffering from chronic plantar wart or stubborn plantar warts. Our Swift Immunotherapy targets the root cause of plantar warts, allowing our patient to finally achieve a cure. Don't let plantar warts hold you back any longer. Take the first step toward freedom today. Contact us now to schedule your consultation and start your journey toward a plantar wart-free life.